Alright guys, today I'm doing a review of these. These are at Costco. These are vegan pasta. And as you can see, it's ready in like 3 minutes. I'm going to cook it with some tomato marinara sauce. But here's the ingredients. So they're vegan there. You see it's grilled eggplant that's inside and zucchini. Here's the nutrient panel. So we're going to do a quick taste test once it's cooked up. And I'll be back. It's all done. So I cooked it up. We're doing a quick taste test. Yeah, so you can see the filling there. It's not bad. It has some like nice herbs like pepper, oregano flavor to it. But yeah, it's not bad. You wouldn't know if that was like eggplant or zucchini though. So yeah, definitely check it out. If you have any questions, comments, guys, post below, subscribe to the channel.